Well, hello. I just wanted to do a really quick update in praise of the Victorinox Standard Tinker. I absolutely love this little model. I've got dozens of Swiss Army knives and I've never had a Victorinox Tinker before. It's just a 2-layer knife and it was 19 quid from Amazon, and I think it's just a wonderful working tool. Just perfect for if you're doing actual work with it, like I've been doing some DIY, some renovations. I've cleared out my garage today and been sorting out a few bits in there, and this has come in really useful just for little bits and bobs. I've had other tools that I've used today doing stuff around the home. If I need a saw, I'll grab a proper saw. I haven't needed scissors for doing DIY type of stuff. I've used the blade, I've used the flathead slotted screwdriver, I've used the awl, and I've used the Phillips screwdriver. So it's one of the 91mm length models and 14.4mm thick, or 0.57 inches thick, and it weighs 63 grams or 2.2 ounces. So you get 2 blades on this one. I have used both today. I used this little blade for opening some boxes that had a load of packaging tape on them because I didn't want to get a load of gunk on my main blade. You can see a bit of tape residue on there. I've used the main blade for cutting some ties that were holding some junk together in my garage. I've also used it for sharpening my pencil when I had to mark on the wall for drilling. And it cut a couple of bags open as well. So useful to have a blade. I haven't needed the scissors. I'm not trimming my nails or anything. I'm doing actual work out in the garage, so I don't need a pair of scissors on a knife like this. I have used it all today. This is just an example of the kind of thing. I've had a day off work today, so I've been doing a bit out in the yard. I used the awl to prise out a fuse from an old plug that I no longer need. I thought, well, I might as well save the fuse. So this was perfect for just popping the fuse cap off and then popping the fuse out. I mean, it's something or nothing, isn't it? But this tool was in my pocket and it did the job. I haven't used the can opener or the small slotted driver, not today I haven't. I have used a slotted screwdriver today for scraping little paint splodges off of my flooring. It's not a sharp edge or anything on this screwdriver, so it was just perfect for scraping the paint off without damaging the flooring. I really like this tool, it's dead sturdy. I haven't needed any paint open today, but I will in the week, and this makes a fantastic paint can opener as well as cap lifter. I have also used a Phillips screwdriver today. I had to hang something on the wall in the garage there, and I used the Phillips for just hand finishing, tightening the screws where I was going to hang my item so that I had more control than using my drill for tightening the screws up. So yeah, this is so good. I love this knife. It's brilliant for DIY rough work. It's so cheap, so I don't mind that it's already, I've only had it a few days, this knife, it's already scuffed up to hell on the scales. I don't care if the blades and everything get knackered up because this is a working knife and I think it's a perfect working knife. Absolutely love this model. Cheap, durable, reliable, slim, compact, all round fantastic backup tool to have in your pocket if you're doing DIY and that around the home or out on a manual job elsewhere. Wonderful tool. I'm saying all this, I do kind of wish I'd filmed it to show you what I'd been doing, because I'm just sat here talking about it, aren't I, otherwise? But that's really lame, isn't it? I wasn't out there to film me doing stuff. I was out there doing genuine work, so I didn't film any of it. But yeah, this is a great tool. All Victorinoxes are great tools, aren't they? But I just absolutely love this little slim 2-layer cheap beauty. Yeah, I just wanted to add as well, I'm a fan of minimalism, really, in general, in life. I don't like clutter and unnecessary things, and I think this extends perfectly to this knife. It's all thriller and no filler in a pocket backup working tool. It's wonderful. I believe this design was released in 1952 or 53, which is when they first started putting the Phillips screwdriver on the backside tool slot there. And yeah, I think they got it right. They got it perfect with this little knife, and I don't think it gets anywhere near the love that it needs. It certainly hasn't from me over all these years, up until when I finally bought one just last week. Absolutely fantastic. Perfect little backup tool. Wonderful.